Hi, I'm Jorgen and I am here with,
My name is Colin.
and we are doing hydrogen power. Hydrogen power can be used for powering homes, businesses, and vehicles without giving off greenhouse gases. Go on.
How is hydrogen easily renewed? Well, to answer your question, hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe,
Yes, it is.
and it can be retrieved from water using a process called electrolysis.
Interesting. What is the cost of hydrogen power? Hydrogen power requires electrolysis, which requires a lot of electricity, which costs a lot of money. And in order to turn hydrogen into usable energy, you need fuel cells, which uses very advanced technology and which makes the cost extremely high. So, how is the energy gathered?
That's an excellent question, Jorgen. I'll answer it for you.
Thank you.
Well, you get hydrogen from water through electrolysis.
Hydrogen has many pros. It's the most abundant element in the universe. It doesn't create any pollution. Its only byproduct is water. Fuel cells are light and they start up quickly, and it can power cars or buildings.
Well, yeah, there are a lot of pros, right? But there are also a lot of cons, too. Some examples of cons. Well, hydrogen is very explosive and also very flammable. Fuel cells are also very expensive. Electrolysis takes a lot of money, too. And the technology is not ready for mass production. That's right. So, how is hydrogen energy stored?
Well, to answer your question, hydrogen must be pressurized or compressed, then placed in storage tanks. It tends to weaken the material that contains it, which makes it very hard to store.
Yeah, good.
What are the byproducts of hydrogen?
That's an excellent question. Very good. The byproducts are only pure water and heat. That's right.
What is keeping hydrogen from widespread use?
Great question, Jorgen. Well, the expensiveness of getting the hydrogen and making the fuel cells make it illogical to make a car that costs so much. You would also need gas stations that would sell hydrogen and companies that would invest in researching a cheaper hydrogen-fueled car.
Oh, cool.
So, Jorgen, what is the science behind hydrogen energy?
Well, Colin, hydrogen is the lightest substance in the universe, but it also has the highest energy content for its weight, more than 3 times as much as gasoline. The hydrogen acts like gasoline for a car, but instead of being put in a car engine, it is put in the fuel cells, which converts the hydrogen into energy. As long as there is a supply of hydrogen, there is a constant supply of energy. I have one final question, Colin.
Okay.
When is hydrogen expected to be available to the public?
That's a great question. Thank you. You're just full of great questions. Well, in the U.S., hydrogen won't arrive for a while because the country has to determine how it would transport it, how to make it, and where it would be made. Fuel cells are still so expensive that until cheaper technology is developed, they won't likely be mass-produced.